Hi everybody, today I'm showing you a toy review for Ultimate Echo. Yes, so here he is, and here's a nice picture of him, and a picture of Ben 10 and Ben 10 logo. You can see its age is 4 and up 4.5 here. So I'm gonna open it now, and I'm gonna show you how it looks like. So here he is. You can see now. You can see his details. He's cool, and the original Echo is 2 inches tall, yeah, and now he's 4. So when you can see his Omnitrix Ultimatrix symbol, yeah. Okay, articulation is hand 360, his arms 360, head can move 360 degrees, being at the knees and the hips. So here he is, and I'm showing his disc. Here he is, his disc. So when you press when you press it down, it will come, and his hands will go out. So here's my look at Ultimate Echo, and soon I'll be doing Water Hazard. So have a nice day. Peace. Bye.